When a woman left for a short vacation, her husband decided to build her a surprise. There are certain people on the planet who just have the desire to build and create. It may not be anything that alters the course of human history or the next great phone app. It can be as simple as making wooden toys in a hobby shop, but the desire to create is there. This dad has that desire, and he decided to put it to good use and give his backyard a much-needed makeover. I thought it was just going to be a simple deck and maybe a little landscaping. I couldn't have been more wrong, however. He took things to an entirely new level and completely knocked it out of the park. This is what the backyard looked like before he started his work. It certainly doesn't seem like a place you'd want to hang out in. He started his project by creating a frame for a deck. His daughters were there for support. Then he added support beams. He then started building supports for the roof that he was going to put up. The roof was the next thing to tackle. He painted some planks and used them to create an open roof design. There was an area on this ledge that wasn't being utilized at all, so he started building a frame for a project up there as well, and more framing. The same type of roof design would be used here as he used over by the deck, so he painted some more planks. A lot more. Simple, but it looks great. Then it was time to put together the floor of the deck. The man has multiple children, so he decided he wanted to build them a custom jungle gym and clubhouse. He even put a sandbox underneath it. This thing's going to be amazing. Time to get the roof started. I wouldn't want to paint all this. Even his daughters helped out a little. They even made room for a trampoline back there. He then spread mulch and dirt throughout the backyard. He added a railing up on the ledge for safety. The backyard definitely needed some greenery, so he started planting. He built a walkway up on the ledge to make it a little more comfortable. He wanted the entry into the backyard to be elegant, so he made a very nice door. And here is the finished project. This turned out absolutely incredible. Now, this is a backyard I'd be happy to hang out in all the time. This guy can build with the best of them. What a nice area to come out and grill on and hang out with your family. Eventually, the roof of the deck will be completely covered in vines. That'll be incredible. The neighbors have to be jealous of this. I would have flipped out if I'd gotten a backyard like this when I was a kid. Way to go, Dad. That's a heck of a lot of work. This guy knocked this whole project out of the park. It looks absolutely amazing, and he created an incredibly inviting area to spend time with his family or entertain guests. I'd love a backyard like this one day. I would most likely hire some people to do it though, because I don't have the patience or the skill to make this happen. Share this amazing backyard DIY with all your friends.